Hi, so thanks for joining us for this next video, and we're going to be showing you today where we are with our wheatgrass after we planted it in the trays the other day. So this wheatgrass has been in here for about 3 days now after the other video when we planted in there. You saw us damping down the compost, spraying it, putting the sprouted wheatgrass on there, spraying, then putting some kitchen roll over the top, and we left them for 3 days. And this is the result that we've got now. So just pull back the black bag. It's still a bit damp in there because I've been spraying every day to keep these moist. And as you can see, the wheatgrass now is very green, very yellow looking because it hasn't had any light to it. But we'll put this on a windowsill and it will start to go green and start to grow like grass. It's quite hard, it's quite tough feeling, it's got a tough feeling to it. We won't actually spray this one because this is already quite wet from being in the kitchen roll, but tonight I'll give it a light spraying just to help it stay moist and obviously give some moisture for the roots. So this is where we're at with our wheatgrass now, and we're on about day 5 from sprouting. So we'll give you another video to show you where this is in a few more days, but for now that's it. If you've enjoyed this video, perhaps you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and also comment below and let us know where you are in your wheatgrass journey. We all love wheatgrass here and we feel much better for it. So we wish you well in your wheatgrass journey, and we'll see you in the next video.